These freshly sliced meat pieces are absolutely delicious, and this system enhances their accuracy and beauty. I hope one day you get to taste them too. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're planning to watch this video to the end. Let's see who's in for the full ride. We can significantly reduce carrot contamination before the peeling process by utilizing innovative UVOC lock technology, ensuring a higher standard of food safety and quality. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with ThinkHive for more interesting and amazing videos. Join our community and never miss an update. PPM's horizontal motion conveyor line, renowned for its reliability and efficiency, is built on a well-established special distribution drive system. Trusted and proven over many years, this conveyor system has been deployed across diverse markets, delivering consistent performance and meeting the demands of various industries. The double cheese ultrasound cutting machine achieves an unprecedented level of precision, offering accuracy that never fails to impress. With the enhanced Active FL washing system, Dua F sets new hygiene standards, significantly reducing water consumption. Acting as a pre-wash, it effectively eliminates dirt, sand, and rough debris from delicate products, ensuring optimal cleanliness and safety. Those smoked meat slices are absolutely mouth-watering. And I'm sure both you and I are longing to indulge in them right now. Their scent is just divine. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. This hygienic biscuit packaging solution not only maintains the product's integrity, but also ensures its protection during transportation. Coming up next, we're excited to share a behind-the-scenes look at the intricate jelly production process in our factory. If you're a fan of these delightful and colorful candies, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving us a like. Have some insights on these remarkable processing machines? Tell us more in the comments. Whether it's a deep dive into how they work, their key features, or fascinating facts, we're all ears. Share your expertise and let's get the conversation going. The all-in-one Flavor Right spice system, redesigned by PPM Tech, ingeniously integrates both liquid and dry spice systems into a compact, convenient standalone device. Introducing the PPM Technologies Ultra Conveyor Belt, meticulously designed to accommodate a wide range of products and applications, including heavy and hard-to-move items such as meat, poultry, fruits, or vegetables. The Ultra utilizes a straightforward drive system, incorporating reliable mechanical parts for energy efficiency. The rotating Eco KS7 vegetable and salad dryer bears a striking resemblance to a washing machine, doesn't it? But don't be fooled by its appearance. This innovative appliance not only looks familiar, but also provides efficient drying for your fresh produce, making meal preparation a breeze. Are you embarking on the production journey of lemon solo and find yourself in need of plentiful lemon peels? Look no further. This specialized peel stripper is meticulously crafted to cater to your unique requirements. For precise cutting of fixed-weight tenderloin meat portions, explore the specially developed TS700 setup. Ideal for fresh and whole meat applications, it ensures accuracy and consistency, optimizing your production process. Today, we conducted another round of testing on the new caramel cutting machine and tasted the candies we produced. We're pleased to report that they turned out delicious. Rest assured, there were no issues with design flaking during the cutting process.